How to change a username on Shopee iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change a username on Shopee iPhone. To begin, open the Shopee app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now, look for your username. It's usually displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your username to access the account settings. After tapping on your username, a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select the option that says Edit Profile. This will take you to the page where you can make changes to your profile information. On the Edit Profile page, locate the field where your current username is displayed. Tap on that field and enter the new username that you want to change it to. Once you've entered your desired username, look for the Save button. It's usually located at the bottom of the page. Tap on the Save button to apply the changes to your profile. After saving your new username, a pop-up message may appear. This message might provide you some information or confirm the changes you made. Take a moment to read the message carefully, and if everything looks good, simply tap on the OK button to proceed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.